Hello there everyone, and welcome to Enjoy the Ride Scrapbooking Collection full reveal video. So first up we have some very beautiful 12 by 12 papers. So in this set you will get 16 sheets, each of which have 16 different designs, and because they're double-sided you're going to get 2 of each, so they're all really pretty. In here we have some really cool names for these papers, which are all revolved around the weather. So we have the beautiful fresh, we have hazy, we have clement, calm, breezy, blustery, balmy, and also brisk. You can see that we have many different designs on here, lots of images, some florals, some stripes, and some geometric little shapes as well. So there's lots of things that you can do with this, and it's so very user-friendly to cut these out and maybe use them as backgrounds just as they are. So next up we have the 6x6 paperback. In here that you're going to get 24 sheets. In here we have many of the same designs from the 12 by 12s. So we have 8 unique designs in here, 3 sheets of each, and 80 pounds cardstock. These are so very useful and great for card makers because of the smaller size of these. Next up we have Blooming Ephemera. Now this is a really great ephemera pack. In here we have 19 pieces of ephemera. So these are printed and die cut pieces that you can use directly onto your layouts or anything that you are going to create with these. It's really easy to use. All of the images in here do coordinate with the paper packs as well. So we have little bikes in here, a bird cage, lots of floral elements, this huge windmill that will take up center stage on any of your handmade projects, and some little sentiments as well, which are a really great addition to this pack. Next up we have the Bouquet Builder Ephemera, and in this one we're going to get 26 pieces. So you can see in here we have some really large floral and foliage pieces in here. They're all printed and die cut, and they all match with the various designs that we have in the papers too. So this is a really complete look. You could just use these on their own if you wanted to. They are really large, they're going to take center stage on your layout, and they're really quick and easy to use. You don't have to do any stamping. All you need to do is arrange them, stick them down, and they just look perfect. Next up we have the Chipboard sticker set. So in here we have 2 sheets of chipboard, and they are 6 by 12 inches each, so you're going to get a lot in this little kit here. And you can see that they're all beautifully printed. They are die cut and self-adhesive, so all you're going to need to do is pop these out and stick them directly onto your project. So in here we have some really great titles that you can use for your scrapbook pages, also various elements. Again, these do coordinate with the pattern papers from the kit. Next up we have the Chipboard Alphas. So in here these are chipboard, and they are 6 inches by 12, and you can see that we've got various different alphabet stickers on here, multiples of each, so you're not going to run out of these very soon, and they are in a gorgeous burgundy colour. So last but not least in our little collection here, we have Enjoy the Ride Washi Tape Bundle. In here we have 6 different washi tapes designs. They all coordinate with the papers, so we have the blustery, breezy, brisk, calm, fresh, and hazy. So all of these washi tapes are various different sizes with various different designs, but they are all 10 meters long. So you can use these without worrying about running out. You are going to have plenty and plenty of this washi tape to go around. And I just love all the various designs in here we have. So we have some more geometric, more abstract, and some florals. We all know we do love the florals. So that's everything in our Enjoy the Ride scrapbook collection. We really do hope that you've seen something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!